so I have some nice landscape lighting, some low voltage stuff that I need to put in. Most of it's going to go in this bed right here with a spotlight for that bump out. And then there's some more that's going to go in front of that bump out. But the problem is, the transformer is going to go over here behind this roadie and this fountain. But I've got to get it on the other side of the sidewalk for over there. And you already see I got a hole dug here. Here's what's going to happen. I've dug a little trench here, and this pipe is going to end up underneath the sidewalk, and it's going to come out over here, and that way I can get over to this side and run the wire down to the other side. And what I'm going to do is, I've got this trench. The reason for it is so I can be straight underneath the sidewalk here. Fortunately, it slopes slightly away from the sidewalk, and I'm gonna put the end of my pressure washer in here, and then that way it's gonna mine the dirt out from underneath the sidewalk as I push this through, and then once it is all the way through, that's my conduit path. Through. Mission accomplished. Well, one more thing I better do is clean the window. It got a little bit of spackling, so minor casualty. And so now we have lighting on the other side of the sidewalk. and it wasn't too bad. Worst part was digging the hole, but the actual water mining took maybe 15 minutes. And I put the sod that I'd cut up back on top of the hole. Hopefully it'll heal. We've been having a heat wave this week, so hopefully. And otherwise that's it. Wasn't too tough. And we've got lights now.